channel. Today's video is going to be episode 5, I think, of my Becoming a Boss series. So it has been 1 week. Tomorrow is Friday, and it will be 1 week since I launched my company. I launched it on Friday, July 3rd, which was last Friday. I just wanted to do this video. This video was originally supposed to be a pack orders with me and see how the week went with my launch and how many orders I got and all of that. And I was thinking, oh yeah, I should have at least 5-10 orders to pack. No. I had one order to pack. I have only gotten one sale since I launched, and I wanted to do this video just because I want to tell you guys to not get discouraged. If you're starting out a business, I had really high hopes for launch day and that whole week. I was really thinking I was gonna have at least 5 to 10 orders to fulfill, and I definitely did not. I only got one order, and it was actually family basically. So it's it's an order, but it wasn't just from anybody, just any follower that I have. So I have a lot of inventory still to put up. I only put up half of what I have on the website, and most of what I put up is onesies and pajamas and stuff like that. The other stuff I'm going to be putting up is stuff you can actually wear outside of the house. So I'm hoping that stuff does well. And I mean, I was thinking oh, should I make, what I want to do is try to kind of do trial and error, but try to pinpoint exactly what is the issue of me not getting sales. Is it that my prices are too high? Is it that my audience is not interested in the products that I have available? Is it that they are interested but they don't like the color selection? Is it just that I'm a new boutique and they're we don't know you, we not gonna order nothing? So I just want to figure out exactly what the issue is. I feel the first thing people tend to do when they're not getting any sales is to be let's have a sale, everything half off. No, we're not gonna do that. I did do a 15% off sale on launch day, and then the next day was 4th of July. So I went ahead and continued the 15% off sale, but I actually did not get any sales on that day, on either of those days. And so Sunday I was thinking okay, should I have another sale? What should I do? Should I run another ad? I had already run maybe 4 ads, at least 3, over the course of the month before I actually launched. So I was should I run another ad, whatever. And so what I decided to do was on Monday was actually do my onesies for $30. So that was going to be $8 off. And when I did that, that is when I got my one sale. But I'm really thinking that people like onesies, but they're not just going to go to a website and just buy just that unless they specifically need it for something coming up, maybe some kind of pajama party or, some kind of something. And so I was let me just chill out basically and just take my time, give myself at least a month, put up some more inventory and kind of just see what's selling, what's not selling, what colors are good. Do people tend to gravitate towards more one-piece sets like this, one-piece outfits like this. This is from my collection as well. This will be going up as a new arrival next week. So super cute. It's you guys can't see it, but it's actually shorts with this, and it says long sleeves. So cute. And the zipper actually comes down to here if you guys want to have a little cleavage. So super cute. So I will be adding this to the website. So I just kind of want to just take my time and see, like I said, what's selling, what's not selling. And I recommend you do the same thing with your business if you're just starting out. Even if you're doing lashes, maybe you have super duper long lashes, those 25 millimeters, and then you have some 20 millimeters, and then maybe you have something that's super duper dramatic and then something that's not so dramatic, and just kind of see what is your audience buying. And that's what you should continue to stock, because what we're here to do with the business is to make sales. So if you realize that that specific thing is selling out, you need to keep it. So that's what I'm just trying to do during this month. And so I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys about kind of how I'm doing my trial and error. Another thing is price of shipping. My shipping right now is currently $8, which I feel is not outrageous. I've definitely seen shipping for like $10, $11, $12 for just standard like ground shipping. So I would love to bring the cost down, but I can't right now. So I just want to see, because both, well, I've had like 2 orders, one before I launched and then one just now, and they've both been very close to me. Like one was in Louisiana and one was in Mississippi. So I want to see when someone orders in like California, how high is that shipping cost going to be, because I want to make sure I'm not dipping into my profit to pay shipping. So we just kind of have to see a balance of how that goes. A lot of my items are super lightweight. Pretty much everything I have is less than a pound, which means it can go for just like that standard priority shipping. So we just kind of have to see, you know, how that goes. My ideal price for shipping would be $6. I believe shipping on Fashion Nova is $6, and so I feel like that's a good price. So I would love to bring it down in the future. We just have to see. So I just want to say, like, with your first month of business, to just kind of try to pinpoint, you know, problems with your business. What can you improve? I would definitely say start off in the beginning. Like, don't wait, you know, 6 months in to try to figure out why you're not getting any sales. Like, start immediately. That way you can start getting sales more quickly. Okay. And also, I have not run like just a outfit like ad since I launched. When I launched my ad after I only did one ad after I launched, which was last Saturday, which was for the onesies, like Happy 4th of July, use this code for 15% off. But just like a picture like this, doing an ad, I haven't done that yet. So I would love to see, you know, if that brings any more traffic to my page. I have still been following people, you guys. Excuse me. I mentioned that in my last video, that following people on Instagram has been like the best way to gain followers. I actually have about 1,200 today, and I started my page a little over a month ago, and I have 1,200 followers. So I think that's really, really great. And a lot of the times when I follow people, they follow me back. I'm not gonna say, I mean, everybody doesn't, of course, but I still feel like it's a good outcome. Like, even I think I'm following like there are 3,000 something people, and then I have like 1,200 followers. So I still feel like following people is good. I mean, I don't care if I'm following 5,000 people. If I still see that people are following me back, I'm going to continue to do that. But hopefully, as my business grows, I won't have to take so much time going in, following people to try to gain followers. But honestly, if you think about it, like, it's really the best thing, because literally you're giving like a personal ad. Like, you can run ads, of course, on Instagram, but if someone specifically follows you, you're going to look at that and you're going to literally see the boutique. Like, if you run an ad on Instagram, it's only by chance that somebody will see it. So yeah, so I still think that's a really, really great tactic. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Hopefully in next week's video, I will be coming to you guys and be like, guess how many sales we have? So we'll see what happens. I will definitely keep you guys updated. If you guys have any questions about anything at all related to business, please leave that down below. I'm going to be doing a Q&A about all things related to starting a small business, or not even a small business, child, because we don't know what the business will be in the future. So just starting a business in general, definitely leave that down below, because either next week's video or the week after that, I'm going to be doing a Q&A and answering all those questions, along with some things that I've come up with myself that I haven't mentioned to you guys that I think is important. So I will see y'all in my next video. I will leave all my social media down below. Don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, sis, because if you haven't, what are you doing? Like, we need to hit 20,000 by the end of the year, because that's just how I'm feeling. I mean, we've been at 13 for like, I don't know, a couple of months. Like, so I just feel like by now we need to move up. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, sis. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.